Hello and welcome back. If you're watching, glad to have you. Going to do a quick little video here. I am testing out some new settings on the camera, and I'm going to try and put in the balance into the thing and just hand wind it without doing the keyless works. So just I want to see it run. Okay, I finally got some things squared away. So I'm going to try and just get it running tonight, which shouldn't take that long. Hopefully, we'll see how it goes. And then I'm going to call it a night because I already worked on another watch earlier today. And I've been putting this off because I didn't really want to get that deep into it. So I'm going to try to do this tonight. Okay. Here, and I am doing some new settings tonight, so I'll try something out here. Get that there. I want to see what it looks like. Let me know if you see the difference. If not, not a big deal. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I don't need the keyless works right now. So I'm going to put this back. And some parts are going to fall out. Yay me. And practically all the keyless works are going to fall out here. I just want to see this thing run. And I'm sure anybody that actually has been paying attention to my videos is like, what is this guy going to get this thing running again? Okay, so I can make it run now that I have the what do you call it, the click spring and the click in. I can make this work. I can actually wind it with a screwdriver rather than having to use everything else. So I'm going to secure that. And then I will go and zoom here for you, because I definitely want to see how this looks in zoom. So what I have now is I've increased my frames per second. I've added a glare, anti-glare system. And that's about it. That's the two things that I've done right now. And I've done some transparency stuff. So I've added some lighting. So now that I've done this, I can actually do. I can also do. No, not that. Not that. I don't want that. I've got cool mode here too. Woo, black and white. No, I don't want to do that right now. Back into auto. Oh, that's the wrong one. I keep finding the wrong one here. Nope, it's the wrong one. That's wrong. Oh, wow. It took me out of Zoom. Anyway, so there we go. I'm going to do that. Okay, so I'm going to put the balance in tonight. And then I'm going to try to click this thing over. just wanted to see what the video would look like. Let's see if it's any better or any worse. What's the deal? So this is the first time ever putting a balance back in a watch. Let's hope I don't destroy the balance. So yeah. Okay. Two. Actually, it looks pretty good. Why is it not seating? Why is it not seating? That's weird. It's so weird that it's not seating. Ah. So this thing is not playing nice. Boy, I want to tell you, that's a tight, tight fit. Why is this video so cruddy? This video feels really cruddy. I don't know if it's because of this new enhancement I've got, but it's not as crisp as it was before. Let me see if... Sorry guys, I'm still getting used to look at that. That's way more crisp. Oh wow, that's way more crisp. Get some of this glare out of here. There we go. Okay. It looks better. Okay. Now I can work back on the watch. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness. All right, let's I've got some pep in the step. Hmm. I don't think it's seated right. So I'm trying to get the lower pivot in place here. Well, it wants to work. Bounced on me. Sorry, guys. trying to get this thing kicked up here. I think it's in play. It looks like it's all lined up. It might not be sitting exactly right. I don't know if it's in the lower. It's already seated. So why isn't it running? Me, you put the screw in. Hmm. That's not good. Hmm. Something binding? There's plenty of line and spring. Well, it's not good. I don't know if it's because there's no oil in it. It could be just because there's no oil. I could put, I could oil all these gems real quick and see if that helps. That's the second hand right there. This one right here. Yeah, that one right there is the second hand. I might be in trouble here. I'm gonna have to get a smaller screwdriver. Just to take that cover off, I'm gonna need a smaller screwdriver. 'Cause I think this is my smallest one. Fuck. Alright, well, excuse my French. So much for that. I'm gonna have to oil this, I believe. Either that or I've got a bent component, so I'm going to figure that out. I'm gonna pull this one more time because I've got the time. I'm gonna pull it and then I'll check it and then we'll go from there. Alright, I'm gonna... Yep. So this is supposed to be a short video. It's already 30 minutes long. So I'm gonna put this together here. And I think I don't have to get a smaller screwdriver because on the other side, I need to be able to pull the cap jewels, and I can't do it with this screwdriver, which is really strange because it fits this one, which is, I think, about the same size. And it wants to run. I think it is just dry. I think the oil is dry. In the cap jewel, so it's probably stopping it in here. This right here, I just can't take that off because my screwdriver's not small enough. It's really strange. Yeah, I just can't get it off. This isn't small enough. What size is this? It doesn't have its size on it. All right. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Unfortunately, this is not going to work. But I was testing out the video and everything as well, so see how that goes. There we go. But all right, thanks, guys.